Hello my friends, and welcome back. Today we are reviewing this business headset. Comes in a really nice box. So this is what it looks like. Go ahead and pull that out. And this is it. Nice and simple. Great sleek design. On off button on the side. Call and mute. Really nice, lightweight, sleek design. Good for wearing all day. They provide you with a manual, of course. So for every feature, I recommend you guys checking out the manual. It comes in English, Dutch, French, Italiano, Espanol. Open this up here. They provide you with a nice leather-like carrying case. Multiple different earbud ends. And even more earbud ends. A earpiece strap if you need it, and charging cable. The charging cable is a Type-C, so you know this is an updated device. And for charging, it looks like you would just pop this open right here on the top, plug in your cable right in there. All right, let's go ahead and turn it on. All right, so what we notice right away is there's a white flashing light on the top here. That means it's ready to pair with your phone. So all you have to do to connect it is go under your Bluetooth settings on your phone, find this device, and then connect to it, and then you're all set and good to go. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I'm going to fully charge it afterwards, but we're gonna quickly do it right now, show you guys how it looks. All right, my friends, so sorry for that bright light here. We go over there, you guys can see. So it is so simple, and you can position this to however you need, and you can change the earbuds out. Overall, it honestly is actually really nice. I was playing with it for about 25 minutes. It does work good. I only had one drop call when I was using this, and that's it. Out of, I think I did like 10-15 test calls with people I know just to see, and it does work good. The audio is crisp, everything's good. Just one drop call. It could have been on their end, so I'm not 100% sure on that, but overall it's nice, it's great, it doesn't hurt your ear. It's very lightweight. I mean, we're talking, it's very lightweight, so this is really nice. So it's good for when you are busy and you don't want to be on your phone, and you just quick answer, talk, bye. You know, overall it's really nice, guys.